So we are now in a traditional bakery, the Abu Fahad Al Rabaiya bakery. Let's see if I'm allowed to get in to check what they're doing. Hello. Hello. Just want to check what you're doing. So that's the way how they make the bread. Okay, first you roll it out and this makes some sesame seeds, and then they put it in the oven. Okay. Oh, perfect. And how long? How long? How long you put it in? 5 minutes? 5 minutes. Okay, good, yeah. Yeah, No. This. Okay, yeah. Nice. And that's the done one. Cool. Nice. And that's the wood they use like to burn. Not with gas. And now we go in a traditional coffee for drinking a kahwa arbi. Balaleet. Something sweet.
Sweet.
Okay. Sugar, cinnamon, cardamom.
Sweet noodles.
Good. Saffron, yes, saffron is also inside.
Saffron, hale, Hala,
Yeah.
sugar, and
Maybe. You can also say Balaleet.
Balaleet.
So sorry for this bad lighting, but we are here now in the. I look like Hulk actually. Nice, just the biceps is missing. So yeah, this is a school over there, all this area where people from all around the world come here to study, and they offer everything for free, like the studying, the food, the sleeping part. So it's like a heritage school.
Same.
Same principle. Yeah, it looks like that. Okay, so rooms for everybody.
Yeah,
What's the name?
Rabat.
Rabat. Rabat Bibakh is located in the cut neighborhood of Hofuf. This bound was stopped by blah blah blah. Okay. Great amount. Okay, that's for students because there was a great demand for knowledge, and then they built this like free school, free place for these people, and they still come here since like what, 1,000 years? Over 1,000 years. Yeah. And here you see again the Sabat. The Sabat is actually this connection here, what you have between the left side and the right side of a building. So you connect two buildings, and this is called Sabat.
No,
It's the same school as before, Islamic, like the free. This is Islamic school, not the free one.